Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to dangramza.com Market Studies for Tuesday, April 2nd. As we talked about in the advanced video, how the markets have absorbed some of the fundamentals that came out on Monday, vary a little bit according to the index, but here we're looking at the Russell. It did make new highs and then it broke to the downside. I do not look for much follow through to the downside. That's Asia just opening up right now, but a big move, I don't think it really has the fundamental drivers to create that. Nothing telling us to be a buyer either. Excuse me. If you're on the long side, you want to be cautious here with that market. But let's take a look at Mr. Yen. It's a market that pay attention to right now. It's at such a cheap level. People again are waiting to see if central bank intervention may come in that market. The British pound broke lower as the dollar got stronger. I'm not looking for another big day down, but weakness would be expected in that market. Bitcoin traded below its sell level and just a bit. It closed against that. So if we were a seller here, that position's underwater. The difference between the buy and sell level is $15,000 a contract. Inside, the possibly higher movement is expected. Asia just opening up, not really showing us too much at that moment. Gold. Gold wants to go higher, but do we have fundamental drivers to create that? Inside type day wouldn't be expected. I should say would be expected for that market. It's bearish in terms of structure, but I think the fundamental expectation is holding this market to the upside. Same thing with crude oil. There's no strong reason fundamentally for a big driver in that market, but we do have some geopolitical events that are creating some uncertainty, and we could see it reflected here in Mr. Crude. And when it comes to soybeans, it did break to the downside on Monday, but look for a sideways move. I don't look for follow through to the downside. Well, those are my thoughts for today. Thank you for joining me. Look forward to being with you again tomorrow. In the meantime, take care.